Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to make Karak tea. So what I need is green cardamom, 2 green cardamom. I am making 1 cup of tea. 2 cardamoms, green, ginger and cinnamon stick, and milk, sugar and 1 cup of water. So first I am putting this sugar in medium heat, and I am making caramel. So now I am adding water, hot water. And also I am adding all the spices. And it take 5 minutes. I am putting the lid on it. Now I am adding a milk, half a cup of milk. Mix it well. Leave it for 5 minutes more. Now I am adding tea. Cover it for 2 minutes. Karak tea is ready for serve. You can serve with biscuits or baklava or anything you want. I hope you like it, and please give me a feedback and subscribe my channel. Thank you.